everyone, how are you? My name is Juliana Ortiz and I'll be your teacher through this course. It's a real pleasure for me to share this space with you. Through this course, we'll focus on your reading and writing skills, but we'll also focus on how to use the application Moodle, that is the one that you'll be using for the other subjects each week. And let me tell you about myself. I'm a translator and I'm about to get my master's degree in English. And I do also give private lessons to both kids and adults. And now you have to present yourself. You can just record a short video or write a paragraph wherever you feel more comfortable and describe who you are and whatever you want us to know. And that's all. So if you have any questions, you can post them on the forum and I'll be there to help. See you soon.